In this video, I want to show you how to download World Time Zone Shapefile. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Download World Time Zone Shapefile ArcGIS Hub. So type it like this and press enter. When you do that, it will bring this option. We are going to download World Time Zone, this ArcGIS Hub. Click on it. It may take some few minutes or seconds to load the page. When the page loads, this is the preview of the world time zone. You can see it here. So to view it, you view it from this page. And to download it, click on download. So it will bring these various options. To download it as CSV, Shapefile, JSON, KML. In this video, I want to download Shapefile. So I will click on Shapefile. So it will take up the download. The download is very light. So after downloading, let's visualize it in ArcGIS. After downloading, here is the file. So right click and extract it. Click on OK. It has been extracted. Now let's try to visualize it in GIS software. In ArcGIS, let's try to load that World Time Zone shapefile. Click on Add Data. Let me navigate to where I save it. Here is it, World Time Zone. And here is the shapefile. Select it and click on Add. Yes, you can see it here. This is World Time Zone shapefile. And you can select any of these time zones. You can see it. Now for example, you can bring in the shapefile of your country to know precisely where your country falls. For example, let me bring in the boundary of Nigeria to show you the time zone where Nigeria falls. So I'll click on Add. Let me navigate to where I have the boundary of Nigeria. Yes, I'll select Nigeria boundary and click on Add. Yes, you can see it here. This is Nigeria and this is where it falls. This is where it falls. And if you open the attributes of this world time zone, let's open the attributes. You can see the attribute of this world time zone. The zone, it belongs the area in square kilometer and square mile, and other attributes are here. Then you can also label it. For example, let's right click and label feature. You can label it with zone, then right click, come to properties, then come to label, and let's label it with zone. Come to zone, and then you can change the size, make it bold, and click on OK. Yes, we have labeled each zone such that you can at a glance know where your country falls. So this is how to download World Time Zone shapefile and visualize it in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.